Now we can move to our IF is ready. Then listen. The general solution. What is the general solution? General solution is y into IF equal to integral of q into IF dx plus c. Okay, now we are applying this equation. This equation is applying. Then the solution is y into IF integral of q into IF dx plus c. Okay, what is our IF? Our IF is e raised to 3x. Therefore, the answer is y into e raised to 3x equal to integral of e raised to minus 2x into e raised to 3x. E raised to minus 2x into e raised to 3x. That is equal to, this is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n. Answer is a raised to m plus n. Therefore, here is minus 2x, here is plus 3x. That means minus 2x plus 3x, that is x. Therefore, here is e raised to integral of e raised to x dx. We know that integral of e raised to x equal to e raised to x itself, and the derivative of e raised to x is also e raised to x. Therefore, integral of e raised to x is e raised to x plus c. Okay, final answer is y into e raised to 3x equal to e raised to x plus c. Therefore, the solution is here, the solution is y into e raised to 3x equal to e raised to x plus c. That is our final answer. Okay, listen, we are applying the equation y into IF equal to integral of q into IF dx plus c. When we are applying this equation, we will get the final answer as y into e raised to 3x equal to e raised to x plus c. Okay, what the idea? Now we can move to our next section. This section is very, very important. You may practice it. Practice make a man perfect. Okay. Next, we can move to our next question. Next question is, listen, find the general solution of the equation dy by dx. Find the general solution of the equation dy by dx plus y by x equal to x square. Find the general solution of the equation dy by dx plus y by x equal to x square. This is a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here, remember that p is the coefficient of y. Here the coefficient of y is 1 by x, p equal to 1 by x. And what is q? Q is here. Q equal to x square, here x square. Okay, therefore remember that we get p and q, q equal to x square, q equal to x square, and p equal to 1 by x and q equal to x square. Then here first step is over, we get p and q, p equal to 1 by x, q equal to x square. Next, we are applying the equation. Okay, that is IF. We want to find out IF. IF means integrating factor. IF equal to e raised to integral p dx. What is our p? Our p is 1 by x. Therefore, e raised to integral 1 by x dx. Okay, what is integral of 1 by x dx? The answer is log x. That is e raised to log x. What is e raised to log x? E raised to log x is x log e. We know that log e equal to 1. Therefore, here x into log e, that is equal to x. Therefore, we get if equal to x. Okay, first section is over. If equal to x. If can be calculated by e raised to integral p dx. Here p equal to 1 by x. Therefore, e raised to integral of 1 by x dx. That is a standard result. It is equal to log x. That is e raised to log x. Therefore, the answer is if equal to e raised to log x equal to x. Okay. Now we can apply our equation. Now we can apply our equation. Listen, y into if equal to integral of q into if dx plus c. That is y into, what is our if? Integrating factor is x. Therefore, y into x equal to integral of q. What is q? X square into q is x square into x dx. When we are solving this, integral of x cube dx, integral of, I will write clearly, integral of x cube dx. Okay, that is equal to, what is integral of x raised to n dx? Integral of x raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, it will become x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Here n is replaced by 3. Okay, therefore, the correct answer is integral of x cube dx, that is x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, answer is over. The solution is, this one is the solution. What is our solution? Yx equal to x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, that is the final answer. Okay, or the idea. Now we can do another question. Okay, listen. Next question is, find the general solution of the equation x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Okay, x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Okay, how to solve it? First, we want to remove the x, that is in front of dy by dx. Then we can compare it with the standard equation. Therefore, dividing throughout with the x. Okay, dividing throughout with the x. Then it will become, listen, then it will become, when we are dividing the equation throughout with the x, it will become dy by dx plus 2 into y by x equal to x. dy by dx plus 2 into y by x equal to x. This is a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here, the coefficient of y is p. Therefore, here p equal to, look at that here, the coefficient of y, that is 2 by x. P equal to 2 by x. And q, what is our q? Q equal to x. Q equal to x. Okay, p and q are there. Okay, now we can apply. Now we are going to find out if. If means integrating factor, that is equal to e raised to integral p dx, that is, what is p? P equal to 2 by x. E raised to integral of 2 by x dx. 2 by x dx. 2 can be taken outside. 2 is a constant. That is 2 into log x. Okay, 2 into log x. Now listen. Now we are applying another equation. Listen. 2 into log x. What is a log x? A log x equal to log x raised to a. Therefore, here is e raised to 2 log x. 2 log x. 2 log x can be written as in this form as log x square. Okay, remember that it is a standard result. A log x equal to log x raised to a. Therefore 2 log x equal to log x square. Here is log x square. Then we are applying e raised to log x square. E raised to log x square means x square into log e. X square into log e, that is x square. Okay, first we may find out IF, integrating factor. Integrating factor here, integrating factor is x square. Okay, now listen. Now we can move to next section. Remember that these results are very important. A log x equal to log x raised to a, that is e raised to log x square equal to x square log e. Now listen. Now we get the IF. Solution is y into IF, y into integrating factor. Here the integrating factor is x square. Y into x square equal to integral of q into IF dx plus c. Okay, that is y into x square equal to integral of x into x square dx, that is integral of x cube dx, that is equal to x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, remember that. What is our standard equation? Our standard equation is, listen, our standard equation is integral x raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, here n is replaced by, here n equal to 3. Therefore, final answer is integral x cube dx, that will become x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, now the solution is y into x square equal to x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. That is our general solution. Okay, got the idea? Once more. Find the general solution of x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. First, divide the equation throughout with the x. Then we are converting this one into the standard form dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p equal to 2 by x and q equal to x. Therefore, IF, integrating factor equal to e raised to integral p dx, that is e raised to integral of 2 by x dx, that is e raised to 2 log x, that is e raised to log x square, that is x square. Then the solution can be calculated by y into integrating factor equal to integral of q into if dx plus c. When we are solving, we get the final answer. Final answer is y into x square equal to x raised to 4 plus c. That is our final answer. Okay. Here is two questions for practice. First one is find the general solution of dy by dx equal to 2y equal to sin x. And the second question is find the general solution of x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. First you may find out, first step is, listen, what is our first step? First step is find out P, then find out Q, P and Q, then IF, integrating factor. Then using this equation we can solve it. Okay, try these two questions. First question is find the general solution of dy by dx plus 2y equal to sin x, and the second question is find the general solution of x. Here you must divide the throughout this equation with the x. Divide throughout this equation with the x. Then we can find out P and Q. Okay. Then you can solve it using the equation. Okay. These two questions are for your practice. Okay. Okay. Once more. Listen. Once more, today we are studying about differential equations. In differential equations, two things are there. The first one is order of a differential equation. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative, and degree of a differential equation is the polynomial equation in derivative is the highest power of the highest order derivative present in the equation. That is degree of the differential equation. Okay, these questions are for finding out order and degree. Then method of solving first order, first degree differential equation. That is, we are applying variable separable form. The standard form is f of x into dx equal to g of y into dy is called variable separable form. Then we are solving the equations. Okay, these two equations are important. These two problems are very important. Then you must try these two questions as practice. Next important thing is linear differential equation. The differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are constants or functions of x. How to solve it? First step, you may find out IF. IF can be calculated by e raised to integral p dx. Then the general solution is here y into IF equal to integral of q into IF dx plus c. Okay. Then we are applying two questions. Okay. These two are very, very important. Here we are applying the equation y into IF equal to integral of q into IF dx plus c. Okay. Then these two questions are for your practice. Okay. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay. Do these questions. Okay. Thank you for watching. My name is Professor Ramesh Amna. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. If you have any doubt, you can clarify it. Okay. This topic is very, very important. These equations are very, very important. Okay. Okay, thank you.